Making a dish that is delicious and, of course, easy for that special person in your own kitchen can be a challenge. Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we take the guesswork out of cooking with creamy smoked Gouda chicken breast. So let's get started. Let's cook the rice. Let's prepare the chicken breast. Let's build the dish. Butter makes everything taste good. Gouda cheese traces its roots back to the 12th century. History shows it has long been produced across the Netherlands and is made from cow's milk. Despite the name, Gouda cheese did not necessarily originate in the city of Gouda. During the Middle Ages, the city did have exclusive cheese market rights. This meant all cheese from the region had to be traded there. Today, Gouda remains one of the most popular and widely produced cheeses in the world. Let's get a portion of this creamy smoked Gouda chicken breast on a plate. Add a side of rice, of course, and the veggies of your choice. Finish the dish with chopped parsley. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite of this amazing dish. Wow, that's really good. The tender chicken is seared to perfection, then smothered in a velvety smoked Gouda cheese sauce that is irresistibly creamy and delicious. And now for the rice. Wow, the rice is amazing. It is fork tender and complements the chicken breast perfectly. And now for the veggies. Yes, the veggies deliver a perfect balance of flavor and texture to round out this dish. You and that special person will absolutely love this dish. Leave a comment and a question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's the perfect meal for you and your special guest to enjoy. Stay with us, watch the next videos.